Hello and welcome to video 2.1. In this section, we'll have an overview of the game. In this video, we're going to discuss about creating the graphic assets. We'll start off with our HTML template. We have the stage, which is defined as a variable, because we'll use it in several other functions, not just the init. So we place the variable outside the function, and we initiate the variable in the init function. What we wish to do now is create several constants which will hold the width and the height of the pedal and the bricks. So these are our constants. We have the pedal width, which is 100 pixels. We have the pedal height, which is 20 pixels. The bricks width, which is 60 pixels, and the bricks height, which is 30 pixels. In addition to the stage, we'll define two other variables. One of them is the pedal, and the other is the ball. The pedal and the ball will be the graphic assets of the pedal and the ball. Like in previous videos, we'll define the ticker at 60 frames per second. And we'll also define an event listener that each tick will update the stage, and this will save us calling the stage.update command in every frame. Next up, we want to create one ball, one pedal, and one brick for now. In the next videos, we'll create the brick wall, but for now we'll create only one brick. So let's define the first function. The first function will be createBrick. I'll paste the code and we'll discuss each command line by line. The createBrick function will define a variable called brick, which creates one create.js shape. We'll fill the shape with a specific color. You can define any color you want. We'll draw a rectangle, which starts off at the x and y axis of 0 and 0, and its width is the brick's width constant we've defined earlier, and its height is the brick's height constant which we defined earlier. We'll call endFill, which states that we completed the drawing of the shape, and we'll add object we just created, which is the brick, to the stage. Next, we'll create the ball. So the createBall function is very similar to the createBrick function, only this time we'll draw a circle. So we define the ball as a create.js shape, we fill it with a red color, and we draw a circle with a radius of 8 pixels. Its x value will be 100 and its y value will be 100. And we'll add it to the stage as well. Last but not least, we'll define the createPedal function. In the pedal function, we'll define the create.js shape inside the pedal variable. In this case, we're going to use the chaining ability in create.js. And as you can see, I can chain the draw rectangle to the beginFill command. So unlike the createBrick function, in which we created it in several lines, you can see that I'm chaining the commands here, and I'm basically creating the pedal using the beginFill, defining its color, drawing a rectangle in the location, width and height that I want, and then I place it on the stage. So now all we have to do is call these functions in the init function. So we'll use the createBrick, and we'll use the createBall, and we'll use the createPedal. So now let's see the outcome. Now that I refresh the page, you can see that we've created one brick in the top left corner, one ball in the middle of the screen, and one pedal at the bottom of the screen. Congratulations! Now you know how to create graphic assets using create.js. In the next video, we're going to discuss about creating basic animations.